member to our second meeting about the solution for our charge problem. Before we start, can anyone start the door?
So, we will start our meeting with Umukita Al-Fatihah.
Thank you, Mr. Rahman, and thank you everybody for attending this meeting. Before we start, any apologize for absent today?
Yes, Mr. Aisam. Mr. Farid is on medical leave because of not feeling well.
Thank you. Hope we will get well soon. So can we please proceed to the next item regarding to the minutes from the previous meeting?
Yes.
Are there any amendments?
Yes, Mr. Aisam. Mr. Hakim motioned that the minutes of the previous meeting be accepted or amended.
Okay, noted. Is there any more amendments to be made again?
No, thank you.
Can someone please propose the minute to be passed as the true record?
I propose the minutes to be passed as a true record.
Okay, let's move on to the agenda for today's meeting. To solve the problem of overcharged battery that faced by the Samsung user, which is can cause a bloated battery in the future. So any matter arising?
Regarding to our problem, we have found two solutions for it. The first one is by using the USB cut-off charger, and the second one is by using the wireless cut-off charger.
Okay, noted. So, Ms. Dalila, what do you think about the solution for our problem?
Thank you, Mr. CEO. Upon completion of our design problem, we begin with the range of the wire. For the USB cut-off charger, the wire can be provided or used for 1 meter long. So the data transmission and charge speed of smartphone USB cable is related to the length of the data cable. In the case of the same material, the shorter the length of the data cable, the faster the data transmission and charging speed, for the smaller the resistance. For the universal wireless charger, which has the limited range, for the wireless charger, the phone cases must not be thicker than 3 mm, so that it will not interrupt while charging. Next, for our device type, the USB use the micro USB. It is a non-universal, which can only specific device can be used at one time. For the wireless type, it is universal, so any device can be used to, for example, Android and iOS.
Okay, I got the point. So, anything else to add?
If we refer to the word of heat transfer, it must be related to the technology to reduce the harm. For the USB type charging, there is one material that have in the port in and port out. The material is aluminium. The thermal conductivity of aluminium is about 3 times greater than other material like steel. This makes aluminium an important material for both cooling and heating. Combined with it being an untoxic, this property means aluminium is used extensively in device technology. The design of the aluminium that has been made in the port is also important thing because it will trap the harm in the charger and reduce the heat. Anodized aluminum shell design and heat resistant technology on the connectors ensure complete safety and reliability.
Good point, Mr. Rahman. So, how about the wireless charging type?
Actually, for the wireless charging type, we may use the advanced technology of heat transfer system, which is called as hyper-air technology. This hyper-air technology will detect the situation of the charging once it's ready to use to prevent overheating. The hyper-air technology doesn't charge through metal case or cases thicker more than 3 mm because it will harm the device. So the hyper-air will detect the material and the thickness of the device layer to make sure the heat is remain safe and ready to use. It will automatically stop charging if foreign metal or magnetic objects are detected. This features triple temperature, control with 15%, faster heat dissipation and more effectively, and fail-safe circuitry, prevent overcharging, overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating and short circuit. That's all.
Okay, anything else?
Also for the power transfer. The power transfer, the USB cut-off charger use a copper wire as a power transfer, while for the universal wireless charger use as a magnetic. Both wires are same by conduct, but the magnetic copper wire is specially coated with thin and high heat absorbing material. Thin insulated material help to more turns in a short area and capable for heat absorb. Common copper wire insulated with thick material, which can require more area for more turns.
Since everyone is clear with the function and the design for our product, should we proceed to the marketing section, Mr. Akif?
Yes, please.
So may I know what is the suitable market for this product and how we going to promote the product?
Thank you. In marketing, we need to apply for P, which is place product price promotion to promote our product. Firstly, the product must have a unique design that can attract our customer. So the customer must be user friendly. Second, the price must be affordable for the customer, especially the main customer. If student, that why we should put reasonable price. It will cost 50 ringgit and above, that followed by the design. Next, we can use media social as an advertisement to promote our product. Nowadays, media social being a big impact for the customer. Last but not least, the place. We need a strategy place to sell our product where there are many students work by the faculty.
Okay, if that's so, now all the agenda have been completed. So next we have to decide on what time, date and place for our next meeting.
Okay, Mr. Aizam, for the next meeting, we will held on the 15th June at 2 p.m. at the meeting room.
Alright then, anything else? Any other matters?
No.
Will someone propose the meeting to be adjourned?
Yes, Mr. CEO, I propose the meeting to be adjourned.
Seconded?
I second the motion.
Okay, thank you everyone for spending your time for this meeting. The meeting is adjourned at 12 p.m. So I hope based on what we have discussed, what we have get here from this meeting can overcome the problem that occur for our customer. So if nothing else, so thank you all of you. We see you end the next meeting. Thank you. So, Mr. Dalila, what? Start and apologize for absent today.
Yes, Mr. Aizam. Thank you.
Never gonna catch me, you're never gonna catch me. No, no.